So we're really excited to be performing here at the Prince Lot Hula Festival. We're going to be presenting two hula, awana, Wahine Hololio and Nani Mahina. Both mele are in honor of Queen Emma. The first one, Wahine Hololio, describes her as an equestrian. Interestingly enough, it was written for her when she was still a princess. The second song, Nani Mahina, describes her beauty and compares her to the beautiful moon. Both songs in honor of Queen Emma. The second one is a little bit more playful, kind of a romantic era of the Victorian period. So we thought we'd do something like that since we're here at Queen Emma Summer Palace at Hanai Kamalama. My inspiration for the meles I chose, it was time consuming to figure out what I wanted to do because first of all, we couldn't settle on a place. So every time we decided on a place, I changed the mele. And once we decided here at Hanai Kamalama, I took the inspiration from a record album of the Kahuanu Lake Trio. This record album shows Kahuanu Lake Trio in 1961, photographed right here in the gardens of the Queen Emma Summer Palace. Two of the songs, Wahine Hololio and Nani Mahina, are on this first album that Kahuanu Lake Trio recorded. And so with our theme, Iulu na lala iki Kumu, the branches are strong because of the foundation of the Kumu, I decided to use that theme and bring it to my hula teacher, who was Maiki Ayu Lake, and my musicians teachers, who was Kahuanu Lake. So we're like bringing on a second generation of musicians and hula dancers using that same theme, using that idea on that record cover, and presenting our own piece in a tribute to Queen Emma and to our teachers, Maiki and Kahuanu.